Greetings. Welcome back to another one. So today we'll be focusing on microcontroller world as we usually do in some videos, but I would like us to dive into the programming of this module. This is NUCLEO-F446. It's a product of STM. It's NUCLEO-F446 microcontroller. It has Arduino pins as well as Morpho headers. So we'll be using this machine to program the LCD. We want to see, it's not essentially to program the LCD, but we want to display information on the LCD. This is a 16:2 LCD. It consists of 16 pins with positive and negative for the background light as well as the communication pins, and it can only display in two lines, the first line and the second line. So yeah, we'll be displaying the information on this LCD. So let's get started.